are 2022 must-have cookwares. Okay, do you know why I'm excited? I look excited, right? These are gifts from my parents. I love everything about this pot. Like, the color is giving me life. Like, the color is so beautiful. Why will you be using pots, pots that you don't know how to use, or you think that it doesn't last, Why do you spend so much buying non-stick pots? Non-stick pots are useless. Hello beautiful people, welcome again to my channel. Okay, in case if you are new, my name is Uju. Welcome to Ujulinn space. Please consider subscribing to my channel. It is so beautiful in here and I promise you're going to enjoy it. Okay, and to my returning subscribers, thank you for your massive love and support, guys. So before I start my unboxing, I would like you to tell me where you're watching me from. Okay, where are you watching from? What videos do you enjoy more here? I would like to know. Okay, please drop it in the comment section for me. All right guys, so let's just get right into the video. So I have here these are salad sets. Okay, yeah, these are salad sets. Okay, I will tell you what I'll be using this for. Okay, and this is my real thing, guys. Can you see? It's so heavy. Can you see? Can you see? Yeah. Oh my god, it's so heavy. This is G&L. It is called 4-piece non-stick belly shape cookware set. Let me try and lift it up again. Can you see? I hope you can see. I hope you can see. Like, guys, this is heavy. Okay, so I will be unboxing these two items with you. Like, these are 2022 must-have cookwares. Okay, do you know why I'm excited? I look excited, right? Okay, so I got these gifts on 1st October 2016. That was my wedding day. 2016, yeah, that was my wedding day. Guys, like, I'm happy I got them from my parents, but I didn't really have need for it. But I guess right now there's need for it, right? There's need for it. So that is why I want to unbox it with you. And I love everything about this pot. Like, the color is giving me life. Like, the color is so beautiful. Okay, yes, I love red color. In case if you don't know, red is one of my favorite colors. So I don't really have one color per se. You are talking too much. Let's just get right into the unboxing part. So guys, like, I've always had this pot, but I didn't really have need for it. Okay, but today, or rather, I have need for it now. So I'll go ahead and open the box. Okay, don't worry, I know you can't see, but I will show you. Okay, I'll bring them out one after the other and show you guys. Like, look at the color. Hey, look at the color. It's so beautiful. This should be the smallest one. Yes, look at that one. No wonder it's called belly shaped. Like, the shape is like a belly. Can you focus, please? It's a G&L product. This pot is heavy. It's heavy, okay? Yeah. Like I said before, this is one of the gifts I got from my wonderful parents. Okay. Yeah. So this is the knob. I'll be setting them later. Okay. For the cover. The noise. Sorry. Like, a lot of people, most times they'll be like, non-stick pots are not durable. Why do people use non-stick pots? And this is the cover. Why do people use non-stick pots? I prefer my stainless pots. I prefer my aluminum pots. Why will you be using pots? Pots that you don't know how to use, or you think that it doesn't last. Why do you spend so much buying non-stick pots? Non-stick pots are useless. Like, a lot of people say that. Okay, but I don't believe that. Okay, this is the biggest one. This looks like the biggest one. You just have to know how to maintain your non-stick pot. Okay, which I will be sharing soon on how to maintain your non-stick pot if you want it to last for you. So I think this is the biggest one. I'll still find out, guys. Like this pot, look at the hand. This hand or handle. This is nice. Like I love everything. Like the color is giving me goosebumps. The color is giving me goosebumps. Okay. So yeah, this is the cover. This seems to be the biggest cover, right? Yeah. So yeah. So this is it. This one is the second set, I guess, and this is the last, guys. Look. I love everything about this color. The quality is top notch. Like I love it, despite the fact that it's my color. It is so beautiful. Like I can't even stop crushing. Literally, I was saving this pot, but I was saving it. I was just saving the pot. I think it's right time if this pot graces my kitchen. Okay, like it is so beautiful. I can't even stop crushing on it. Okay, yeah. So I don't know if you've seen it now. Let's take them out. Oh my gosh, right? The pot is beautiful. Okay. So if you're wondering ways to maintain your pressure pot, if you're wondering, okay, how do you make your non-stick pot to last? Like what are the things you need to put in mind or put in check if you want your non-stick pot to last for you? Number one, please do not use iron spoon. Okay, and any sort of iron spoon, be it stainless spoon, be it galvanized spoons, anything like that. Please do not use stainless spoons, even if it's tablespoons to serve or to eat or to cook. Please do not use a stainless spoon in your non-stick pot. You see these inner parts, these are coated. Okay, yeah, this stuff prevents food from burning. That's why most people say non-stick pot does not burn. Okay, does not burn, right? Burn the food or just burn. You get what I mean? So this inside, this particular, what is it called? The inner part is coated. Okay, this stuff here is actually coated. So if you use what stainless spoon does to non-stick pot is it kind of scratches the inner coat. Okay, makes it rough, and from there your pot, it will start burning. The beauty will no longer be there. Yeah, from there just once the pot starts scratching, it doesn't really work anymore. Okay, please do not use a stainless spoon, iron spoon in your non-stick pot. The right spoon to use is Summer. What's wrong?
Is this your new pot that you just opened?
Yes. Can you say hello to people?
Hello. There's a million all of them.
Say hello. Say hello.
Hello.
Look at the camera and say hello.
Hello. You want me to say channel again?
You can say it. It doesn't matter.
Hi everybody. Welcome to Mommy's channel. This is Mommy's beautiful dress. Mommy's beautiful face. Mommy's beautiful earring in her hair. See, I told you. So this is Mommy bed sheet for baby sister. This is Mommy's fan, Mommy's clock, Mommy's listing for adding her bags and my school bag.
Your school bag. Why is your voice like this? Do you have cough? Can you clear your throat? Now you can talk now.
And everything is for Mommy. Closet, flowers.
Okay, Summer, it's okay. Can you go now? When I'm done, you can come back, okay?
Mommy.
I said, please, can you go now? When I'm done, you can come back. When I'm done, you can. Guys, will be back. So we are back. Like I was saying, if you want your non-stick pot to last for you, please do not use a stainless spoon in there. The recommended spoon are plastic spoons, wooden spoons, and ceramic spoon. Please don't use rubber spoon. Do not use stainless spoon in your non-stick pot because it's going to scratch the coating. Okay, so yeah, these are the knobs. I think I've shown you earlier. I'll go ahead, and the nuts too. Can you focus? These are nuts actually. So I'll go ahead and set them up. Okay, yeah, so this is about that. Okay, so let's take it away. Yes, and I forgot to mention, then as for the cover, of course you have to be careful with the cover. Okay, this is actually breakable. If you're washing it, you have to be extremely careful so that it doesn't break. Guess what, these covers, they don't sell spares in the market. You can hardly get spares. I don't know about the country you are watching from, but from Nigeria, I'm from Nigeria, okay, and I'm living in Nigeria. They don't sell spares as spare covers. Okay, once this one is broken, you have to go and construct an iron cover for your non-stick pots. Okay, so yes, you have to be extremely careful while washing your non-stick pots covers. By so doing, your non-stick pot will last as long as you want it to last for you. Okay, so yeah, this is about that. Let's go ahead and unbox this. Because I'm going to go ahead and open this up right now. Okay. This looks so pretty. It looks so pretty already. Wow. So this is how it looks like. Yeah, these are what's it called? Breakable salad bowls. Salad bowls. Look at it. Oh, and it has what's it called? Apple logos on it. Oh, this looks so beautiful. I love this. Like, I love this. But guess what? They are called salad bowls, but who eats salads in small quantities? Like, I love to eat my salads in a big bowl. So I'll be using this for my spices, okay? Like display spices, especially while cooking, okay, while making recipes for my channel. So I'll be using this for my spices instead of me to be, showcasing the containers of curry, thyme, seasoning cubes, basil leaves, and all that. I can easily put them here. You know that feeling, eh? Eat a shake, eat a shake, eat a shake. Like, guys, I want my videos to be classy, so bougie. You get what I mean? Bougie. Oh my god, like I love everything about this set. Like, they're so cute. Look, so I have like 6 of them. 6 of them, you can see, right? I have like 6 of them. I don't want them to break. See, count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like, they're so cute and well packed. Like, I love everything about this apple 5 bowl. That is the name. And they also said it's made in Egypt. Made in Egypt. Where? Egypt, I don't know. Guys, like, I love everything about this set. My cookwares, like, I love them so much. These are the cooking utensils, and I'm going to be using them for my recipes. That's what I have in mind. Of course, I have some pots. I still have pots, but I want to shop. Let's to shop the game, okay? What else? I think that is all, and this brings us to the end of this video. Guys, if you enjoyed watching, or if you watched up until now, please consider giving me a huge thumbs up. Smash that subscribe button. Smash it. See that subscribe button? It is yours. Smash it if you've not subscribed. Turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss an upload. Okay, please share my videos, comment. I love reading those beautiful comments. Okay, I love reading them. I'll just try and it makes me happy whenever I see your comments. I read them, I smile, I laugh, especially the beautiful ones. So thank you so much once again. I will see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.